Very well, let me jump in. At this point, before running the Python code in Google Colab, I like to say I hope you are enjoying the video so far. To keep everything organized, I have divided this notebook into 7 sections, which you can see on the left-hand side under the table of contents. Since this demonstration consists of several code blocks, this makes it much easier to follow the overall workflow. The sections are setting up the environment, import libraries, define the large language model, define the tools for the agents, define the specialist agents, define the supervisor, and run the agent chain. Overall, this notebook contains 6 main blocks of Python code that work together to build our multi-agents AI systems. So the first block with the import libraries. Some of the main frameworks used in this project are LangChain, LangGraph, LangChain OpenAI, and Langsmith. I'll be creating separate videos about these frameworks in the future, so if you are interested, stay tuned to the channel. Block 2, I define the large language model, and after several tests, I have decided to use now the GPT-4o Mini. And the reason is I was using another model of OpenAI, which apparently is not actual anymore and is not running anymore probably in the libraries, and therefore I was getting a lot of errors after running the book. So I switched basically to this one. Then block 3, define the tools. Each agent is assigned their own tools. So we have the tool that helps perform calculations or evaluate mathematical expressions. We have the tool that helps analyze text, also called tool text analysis. And we have the tool for the summary or the tool that creates the summary or report tool. Then the block 4, I define the specialist agents. And we have the first specialist is the math agent. The second specialist is the analysis agent. And the third specialist is the report agent. Then on block 5, I have defined a supervisor. The supervisor basically coordinates all the specialists and decides who is assigned which task. And last but not least, the agent chain, or where I run the agent chain. Make sure before you run the workbook that your API key or OpenAI API key is set and ready to run. On Google Colab, there is a feature called Secrets, in which you can store your API keys. And I store my API keys of OpenAI and other large language model providers in here. And before I run this book, I make sure that is turned on so that the algorithm can then be able to connect to the API smoothly. So this is also very important. And it seems that everything is set. We are connected now to the cloud and here. So I guess that we can start running the book and see what happens.